to the WhatsApp chatbot tutorial, and this is a solution for people struggling with access of fast, precise, and adequate coronavirus statistics using WhatsApp. So currently, people use other means to get coronavirus statistics. Example, Google search, listening to news, which takes about 30 minutes, or social media platforms through their friends and family. So the main reason I decided to use WhatsApp is due to the increase of WhatsApp users. So currently there is about 1 billion WhatsApp users, and also the use of smartphones has drastically increased, especially during this coronavirus period. So I thought WhatsApp would be the best way for to share this type of statistics with people that are overwhelmed with the amount of information that is out there. So to begin with, I will show you how it works on WhatsApp. Then I will go ahead and um, show you how I was able to do that. So to begin with, you need to send a message that says join occasionally layers. So you need to send this to this number here, and then you get your phone number will be registered to the sandbox, and from there you can start receiving the statistics you want. So you can see there they say you're all set, and we'll type in any country of our choice to get the statistics. Just a minute. There you go. So you can see we have Rwanda, and these are the statistics that we can get. So we're basically getting this information from this website here. So we're using a scrapper that receives this information, and then it translates it and stores it somewhere, and then we're sending like a callback, a URL callback from Tulio. So Tulio is so WhatsApp for Business has provides people with an API, but to apply for that it takes a bit longer for them to authorize and give you access. So what Tulio does is they have a sandbox, and each sandbox user gets gets like a package of the sandbox, and they can store in the information. So whoever sends in this keyword here to this phone number, their phone number will be registered to this sandbox, and then they can start interacting with the app. So basically what I have in um, my program is, currently I run my program in my local machine. So you can see I have a server running here, and the application itself is running here on the background. So whenever I send a message, it's being received here. You can see some of the requests I sent, and then it's being processed. So how that is done, we have to basically two applications. So we have the scrapper. What the scrapper does is it takes the information from this URL, and then by studying how the website was built, I realized that it has tables and rows. So I'll take the table body and the table row, and then I'm using dictionary. So based on the requirement of my users, they need fast information, and most of the requests that they will be sending in will be actually to get the information from wherever I'll be storing it from. So the best way to do this, to save time and also space, I thought it would be a dictionary, because I will store the country names as keys, and we'll have all the other statistics as values. So here you can see that when I have a dictionary, so the dictionary is up here, and then I'm storing the country, which is the first index on my, so this is index 0, so I don't need this information, I don't need it. So I have, this is like index 1, so I'm storing this as the keys, and then the rest of the information I'm storing it as a list, as so these are going to be the value of the list. So you can see from here all the other information is going to be in list form, so but it's going to be as the value. So an example would be how this looks. Let me just quickly show you. So you can see here that we have, let's say, a country Gambia, so this is the key, and then we have all these other statistics as the values. And then I'm just returning my dictionary so that I can use it. So going back to, so we also have the app. So this is where the WhatsApp request and messages are being sent and being received, and this is where the response is being generated. So you can look here. So we basically getting the scrapper. We're inputting the scrapper here, and then this is where the creating the response. So I created the response function, and I have to check. So I need to get what the user message is. So I fetch the body of the message and then look for that body in my dictionary and then return it in a way that a user can read it. So I put in some key phrases, something like this. So this is like total cases. I know the index of total cases, so I just bring back the total cases. I know the index of total death. So you can see, since I know the index, it becomes a lot much. It becomes faster because accessing the accessing information in a list when you know the index is a lot faster. And since I'm using a dictionary, then it's also like a lot faster. So when it comes to like the space, I mean the time complexity, it's off one, and also like printing out the statistics is also off one. And if the country does not exist, so I basically print out country does not exist. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much.